In today's video, we will be going over the craziest and most insane videos ever caught on the dashcam. Don't forget to stay safe and drive safely. Let's go! Driver misses exit and causes major accident. The car was flying until this happened. They just witnessed someone driving on the wrong side of the highway.
Chill, prayer time. And this is what comes through the loudspeaker. Oh my word! And I tell you what, chat, I almost crapped my pants.
This is what happens when emergency vehicles meet regular traffic. This Toyota missed his exit but wasn't willing to accept it. That truck driver will be having a long day. This small car collided with a semi-truck in the tunnel. What do you think the driver was doing before this accident? Mustang driver loses control. Biker crashes hard into the red Toyota. Going too fast on a highway curve is really not a good idea. Another Mustang with too much power loses control. Not the best way to merge onto a highway. We should all take notes. The perfect example of why you should never speed on an unfamiliar road. Do you think this was intentional or just horrible driving? Truck driver smashes into bridge. He should be more careful next time.
Operator 641, what is the location of emergency?
There's a truck on Sora drive right now. I just want to make sure he doesn't, hope he started himself, just now.
Driver uses roundabout in the most unusual way possible.
What the fuck? Huh?
Driver forgot to check his blind spots. This black SUV stopped in the middle of the freeway, causing chaos.
Come on, Porsche. What a fucking highway.
Pedestrians walking in the most unsafe place imaginable. The most illegal double-lane pass was done by this driver.
Dungeons and Daddies. As you put out your hand to shake it, he
takes out a slip of paper from his throat, puts it under your hand.
Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.
Dagger.